What's up, guys? It's Dr. Nick here with Dr. Nick's Amazing Man Stuff. And today I'm here to answer the question that we get sometimes of how do you use your balm stick? There is two ways I like to use our balm stick. One of them is for my mustache and my sideburns. So as you can see right now, my mustache is coming down just a little bit over my lip. And what I want to do is maybe get it to go a little over to the side. Maybe I don't want a full hold of a mustache wax. Maybe I want something that's going to be nourishing like a butter or an oil, but I want it to also have a little bit of styling benefit. That's where the balm stick comes in. So there's a reason why our balm comes in a tube. And that is so you can use it for these areas straight out of the tube without getting your hands messy. So what I like to do is open up the tube, give it a little twist, and I will take this and I will apply it straight to my mustache. Just like this. And I kind of move it in the direction that I want my mustache to end up in, right? So I'll go like that. Then I kind of work it through with my fingers a little bit. And what you'll see is that not only are you getting some nice nourishment into that hair, but you're also adding a little styling into it. So I'll take my comb and I'll just sort of bring it through like this. When you're done, you'll see that you've got your desired shape and it smells fantastic. Now, maybe you have some sideburns. You want to do the same. You want to get a little bit on there, maybe right over that cheek line there. I'm going to do that right here, right out of the stick as well. And I'm going to give those a little comb. Now, final step and second way of using the balm stick is that maybe you have some flyaways that come here from your connector area, from where it goes from your sideburn down the side of your beard, like I do. Now, on some days, if I'm trying to get a little more polished look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the balm stick and I'm going to put some right in my palm like this, rub it in, and I'm going to come right down the sides. Now, again, what you'll notice here is that since this is a light and medium hold type of a balm, you're not going to get real stiff sides of your beards. It's not going to feel crispy. What you're going to get, though, if you notice here on the sides, is you're going to start getting this really nice smoothed out look where it gets rid of those flyaways for you and gives you a nice clean look. So you combine that with what you did here in your mustache. Oh boy, you're ready for the day, looking good, looking polished. So there you have it. That's our balm stick, the two ways that I use it. I hope you give it a try and let us know what your favorite method of applying it is down in the comments. And with that, stay amazing.